I said, did you just arrive in the building?
I've been here a little while, just having a little power nap at the back and that.
Okay, power nap. You're going to be bothered in later.
100%.
Yeah. I heard that you did a bit of a recording in the estate earlier.
Yeah,
How's
man,
that
it's
all
good
going?
turn out. Yeah, man, the video's been good so far. And like, loads of people come down and been helping out and stuff. It's been a real good vibe.
Oh, that's great. And was everyone getting into it? Because I heard the dress code was hoodies and hats, like hoodies
Yeah,
and
man.
tracksuits and everything.
Of course.
Oh, wicked. So you're going to be buffing in later on?
100%, I'm in a shirt now.
Yeah, cool.
Which I look different now.
Yeah. How did you find it working with Craig David and everything? Because I know.
Very surreal, because I was a big fan.
Yeah.
So when it happened, it was a bit shocking, and then just flowed really cool. And then we're here now. It's very surreal though, it's very fairy
I can
tale.
imagine. It's nice when you have a good vibe with somebody. Isn't it?
100%, 100%.
But it's really nice to talk to you.
Thank you for coming
I'm
down.
Kemi. I didn't even introduce myself.
Lovely to meet you, Miss Kemi.
And I look forward to later on as well. I'll be enjoying myself too.
Turn up.
Yeah.